So this is my BMW 310 GS, and here you see two tank bags. This is the good old SW Motec tank bag, which goes on this tank ring, and it has served me for around 6 years, I think so. Lots of stuff. I'm quite happy with it. Now, but I did buy this tank bag from a company called Guardian Gears. Okay, it's extremely cost effective, around less than 2,000 bucks, I think so. And what this does is, this is basically a universal tank bag. It can fit on any bike. So you see that there are these straps which you put here and here. So you just place it here. And that's it. It's expandable. So this is my action camera setup. A huge 30,000 mAh power bank and a few cables and straps. So what I need this for is basically when I am not riding my bike. Say if I'm renting a bike and I need to have a phone that is powered to the power bank, or if I need to have this powered to the power bank, because many rental companies don't allow you to wire these phone holders to the battery. So then you need to handle the powering of your electronic devices on your own. Then I need the action camera remote here that gets powered by the power bank. And of course the power bank needs to then charge the batteries of the action camera. This thing. So this goes here, this stays inside, and this has to be charged all the time. So for all these things, I need a power bank that is in the tank bag, and if I don't have a way to keep the power bank in front where all this can get wired, then I have a problem. This is why I bought this bag. It's expandable. So if you see, it expands to quite a bit. I don't need that much space up front. I like to keep things flat. And the other thing is, it's quite flexible, so you can flatten it out and put it in your suitcase. And it can be fitted on any bag. And if you want to take it out at the end of the day of riding, you just have to unplug it and take it away. Same way, if you want to fill fuel, you just have to open up these two and the whole bag will open up and you can fill the fuel.